I promised I wouldn't do this. The market is just so hot. I'm gonna have to sell. I'm gonna miss this place. Not only is this home practically new, but it's also practically designed. With 6 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and over 3,500 square feet spread across 3 levels, space is of no issue. The kitchen is stunning. The bathrooms are luxurious and the views from the balcony are epic. It comes with a huge 1-bedroom suite and even a lower basement suite for your mom, mother-in-law, or growing teenager who really needs to move out. Now I know we haven't known each other long, but the time we've had together has been amazing. You're amazing. It's not you, it's me. Located in Burnaby's Cascade Heights neighborhood, this quiet residential area is close to BCIT and Burnaby Hospital. It is also within easy reach of a variety of shops, schools, and amenities. Downtown Vancouver is just 15 minutes drive away, and Highway 1 is very close, providing excellent transport links in and out of the city. Well, it's time to go. I hope the next owner takes as much care of you as I did. I'm gonna miss you, baby. Until next time.